Welcome back to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling one of those products you see everywhere online, promising the world. We're looking at the Wowee Cleaner. The ads, they make it sound like this magic solution. Melts grease, stains just vanish instantly.
Oh, it
Sounds amazing, right?
almost too amazing.
Exactly. So we need to figure out if this is genuinely the next big thing in cleaning, or maybe just some, clever video editing.
Right. And that's our mission today, basically. We're digging into a review to see if this Wowee Cleaner is, well, a scam or if it's actually legit.
Yeah.
We want to cut through all that marketing noise for you, the listener, and see what this cleaner really does. What are you actually paying for?
And the marketing is intense. What really jumped out at me was the language they use, like advanced molecular formula.
Oh, yeah. Sounds very scientific.
It does, but is it? And those before and after videos, the reviewer mentioned they looked pretty staged, like really staged.
Yeah, that's a key point because the reviewer's actual experience, totally different. First thing they said, it smells suspiciously like regular old dish soap.
Okay. Not exactly advanced molecules then.
Probably not. And when they actually used it, it cleaned okay. Solid performance, but nothing revolutionary.
So not magic.
Definitely not magic. It worked about as well as, say, any standard detergent you've probably got under your sink right now. The big takeaway was surfaces didn't suddenly sparkle with zero effort. Not like the ads.
Okay, so the review basically landed on it's kind of just glorified dish detergent with really slick marketing.
That's the core finding, yeah.
Yeah.
Fancy bottle, big promises, standard soap inside.
Right, which kind of leads to the next question. If the product itself isn't that revolutionary, how are they selling so much of it? What are the tactics?
Well, that's where it gets interesting. The review pointed out some pretty aggressive sales tactics, lots of limited time deals.
Oh, the urgency thing.
Exactly, and especially those buy one, get one free offers. Buy Go Goes. It's a classic for a reason, right?
Yeah.
It makes you feel like you're getting this incredible bargain and you have to buy now. It feels less like a great product finding its audience and more like, well, like a hard sell.
Yeah, pushing the deal over the product. And what about transparency? Did they say what's actually in this advanced molecular formula?
That's another big issue raised. Nope. Zero ingredient transparency mentioned. No, independent lab tests backing up the big claims.
Not great.
Not great at all. They're selling the sizzle, but they're kind of hiding the steak. Or maybe the steak isn't that impressive.
But hang on, wasn't there anything good about it, to be fair?
Yes, absolutely. And this is important for a balanced view. The reviewer did highlight one significant positive. The cleaner is non-toxic.
Oh, okay.
And it's certified safe to use around pets. Now, for you, the listener, if household safety, especially with pets or kids, is a top priority, that's actually a pretty big deal.
Right, because a lot of heavy-duty cleaners aren't like that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So even with just average cleaning power, that non-toxic pet safe aspect makes it a potentially decent choice for a certain kind of buyer.
Yeah.
Someone who values safety over, say, stripping paint off the walls.
Okay, so let's try and wrap this up. It sounds like we have two different conclusions depending on what you're looking for. If you just want a basic cleaner that won't harm your pets and is non-toxic, Wowee Cleaner,
Right.
it'll do the job. It's fine.
It's fine. Adequate.
But if you bought into the hype, if you were expecting that super-powered instant clean miracle from the ads, you're probably going to feel let down.
Definitely disappointed, yeah. And that really highlights the value of doing this kind of deep dive, right? Separating the marketing dream from the everyday reality. You need to know where your money's really going.
So true. Which brings us to our final thought for you to chew on.
Yeah.
When you see a product, any product, that leans super heavily on dramatic ads, uses those high-pressure BOGO tactics, and is really cagey about what's actually in it.
Yeah.
How much of the price tag you think is paying for the cleaning power?
Versus how much is just covering that huge marketing budget.
Exactly. How much for the performance versus how much for the promotion? Something to think about next time an ad seems just a little too good to be true.